Right, LastPass users have been through a lot recently. Naturally, a question arises, can you trust other password managers? Is 1Password safe? Well, to answer all these questions, I'm bringing you my facts-based 1Password review. Alright then, what are the key qualities of a dependable password manager? To begin with, it should use end-to-end encryption. Furthermore, it's advisable to prioritize privacy, and generally speaking, password managers who don't retain user data tend to be more reliable. It's also worth considering additional security features and the option for multi-factor authentication to enhance your safety. Lastly, the reputation of the password manager matters. Personally, I wouldn't place my trust in a new password manager with no proven track record or who has experienced security breaches in the past. So, what can 1Password offer? To start things off, 1Password has an outstanding reputation. It has never been reported to be breached, unlike some other password managers. Besides, it's been around since 2006, so it has a perfect track record. But what ensures its security? To guarantee your password's robustness, it employs industry-leading encryption. This process jumbles up your stored data into numerous pieces, rendering it unreadable to prying eyes. Additionally, 1Password incorporates a secret key, an extra layer of security to safeguard your passwords and other sensitive information. You alone receive this code consisting of 34 mixed characters, making it virtually indecipherable. I quite appreciate its offline mode, which refrains from transmitting any passwords to the cloud. Naturally, if you opt for this mode, you won't be able to access these passwords on your other devices. Another security edge 1Password holds over its rivals is the Watchtower check. This feature serves as a vigilant guardian, alerting you to potential issues. It keeps you informed about everything that might go awry, from weak passwords to compromised logins. What about privacy? Can you trust 1Password? Well, after thorough research, I found out that 1Password's zero-knowledge policy leaves sensitive information unknown even to the company and its staff. However, if there's a demand, the company would cooperate with law enforcement, but probably there wouldn't be too much they can provide even if they wanted to due to their zero-knowledge architecture. What's more, 1Password has completed third-party independent penetration tests and security audits, so I think 1Password has proven how secure it is. Oh, before we move on, we're trying to reach 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year. So help us reach this goal, click that subscribe button now. All right, what extra value does 1Password bring? The first feature I want to bring up is multiple vaults, as it just makes things so much easier for me. It allows me to organize all of my sensitive information instead of just keeping it in one big lump. Now, among the features I particularly appreciate in any best password manager, 1Password's exclusive travel mode stands out. It's an additional vault customization option that proves quite handy when you're traveling overseas. You see, not all the information in your vaults may be suitable for travel, but with this feature, I can designate which ones are. Let's say I'm off to France for a few days. Any vaults that aren't designated as travel safe will remain locked until I return. Another noteworthy extra feature I'd like to discuss in this 1Password review is its browser extension. It's compatible with all the most popular web browsers. Personally, I found the X version to be incredibly useful, especially during online shopping. It automatically recognizes credit card and address fields, allowing me to effortlessly auto-fill in the necessary information. In addition to these supplementary features, 1Password does an admirable job covering all the essential ones. A feature I use almost daily is the password generator. 1Password enables me to create passwords with up to 100 characters, and it also offers a passphrase system and a PIN number, options that many other password managers lack. Sharing passwords securely with 1Password is a breeze as well. I find it quite convenient that I can share my passwords and other sensitive information with recipients who don't even have 1Password. Each of my items has a unique link that I can easily share wherever I need it. It might sound like this app is packed with complicated features, so you can ask, is 1Password for beginners? All of the features were really easy to find and use, while it took some time to get familiar with what is where. Overall, 1Password apps are intuitive and shouldn't be a problem even for beginners. Plus, 1Password is available on all major operating systems. In addition to that, there is no limit on how many devices you can use, and you can sync all of them. With that said, let's look at how much all of this will cost you. The standard plan makes sense if you don't require the vault sharing feature and intend to use 1Password on your own. However, if vault sharing is a necessity, I'd recommend the 1Password Families plan. While it comes out at a slightly higher cost, it allows you to have 5 users, making it worthwhile if you have at least one other person to share with. When it comes to 1Password's pricing, it's in line with its competitors, although it's not the most budget-friendly option available. For instance, NordPass offers a slightly cheaper overall price, and the Keeper Password Manager provides a personal plan at a slightly lower cost. However, it's worth noting that Keeper's Families plan is pricier than 1Password's. In my view, the 1Password Families plan offers excellent value. Not only does it come at a competitive price compared to its rivals, but it also provides unique vault customization features that set it apart from other password managers. Now, if you want to save even more money on any of the 1Password plans, I left some exclusive deals for you in the description down there, so go and grab them. Well, it's time to wrap things up and determine, is 1Password secure after all? Based on my research, 1Password stands out as one of the most reliable password managers available. It boasts robust security and a strong commitment to privacy. Its impeccable reputation, virtually unbreakable encryption, and zero-knowledge architecture all contribute to its trustworthiness. Alongside essential features, it also provides various additional security measures and a distinctive secret key for that added protection. And what's your take on this? Is 1Password worth it? I'm quite convinced it is, and if you're keen on getting the most bang for your buck, do take advantage of our exclusive offer currently displayed in the description. However, if you hold a different viewpoint, I've also prepared another review of a secure password manager, which you can access by clicking on the screen. For now, that would be all from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.